Hi guys, good morning. It's me again, Marianne. How are you guys? I hope all of us is doing good. Today's video, I want you to see how I'll make my DIY Christmas tree decor in the wall. It's a simple. First, we need a tie and the wall-sided tape. We put in the wall and then form like a tree. And then we need a plastic bag, of course, scissors to make a flower. And then we need a paper bag, lipstick, and then shades. Then to make simple socks. Oh, it's very nice and cute. I put also a tissue paper in the out, and then I put a tie. And then you will see. Now you will see my Christmas tree. Guys, I just only share this one. It's only DIY, but for me, it's simple and nice for me because today I feel now the winter is coming and then the Christmas is very, very, very soon. So that's why no, now I feel like I'm there in the Philippines. That's why Merry Christmas, guys. Pabebe, no? Makaibis.